Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasure Lee Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our November kit reveals. And if you don't know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club where we sell 3 separate kits that you can subscribe to and have them delivered to your door. We put the kit together and we give you inspiration on how to use it. We don't actually give you step-by-step instructions to recreate what our designers do. We want you to take our kits and your own creativity and just sit down and have fun and create and make them unique to you and who you are. We also sell chipboard, so make sure you check out our website at www.treasureleekits.com. Now, you're here to see the kits, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the kits. First up, we have our scrapbook kit. This kit sells for $52 and that includes your shipping. And this is for our scrapbookers or those that like to make altered projects using scrapbook kits. So let's get started. The first thing is, at Treasure Lee, we love flowers, so you get tons of flowers in your kit. Here is your first set, and 27 pieces. And these are by Little Birdie. And you get 3 different sizes, plus you get some leaves. Really pretty. Actually, all our flowers are going to be from Little Birdie. We've got some natural flowers here, and you've got 6 pieces here. And I love the burlap, the texture on these, which is going to go great with our papers. And your last set, 21 pieces here. And you've got some teal, you've got some lighter, some darker, you've got some vines there. So, a nice pack of flowers. Next up, you're going to get some leaves. These are Treasure Lee custom cut leaves, and you're going to be getting these leaves in your kit as well. You can also find these on in our chipboard store under www.treasureleekits.com, and then across the top you go to shop and click on chipboard, and these are listed in the section under nature. But you get all 5 pieces of these as well. And you're going to get lots of ephemera to go with this kit for cutouts for extra. Your first up, our first set is going to be the junk journal pieces, and I love these pieces because you can use these as tags, you can layer them under your photos, you can use them on your page as accents. Like I said, you've got some tags here, you've got some stuff to make pockets, and if you don't like that side, you can also look at it as extra sheets of paper for layering because the back side is always solid. So you've got that. Here's another sheet. You've got these little banners, you've got some thimbles, lots of things to cut out here. And here's your back side. Love the texture on that. Here's some more. You've got some pockets. You can use this as cut this out and score it, and you can use this as a pocket on your page to add extra photos. Here's your back side. Another pocket piece. Or you can just use this as an extra project. Here's your back side. And again, here, more little pockets. And your back side. Now this, you got 2 pieces, so you can cut this in half, and you've got 2 separate pieces here. And here you've just got some big pieces. You could use this as a cover if you wanted to use this whole as a little mini album. You can use this, cut this as your cover. And then you've got plenty of inserts. And here is the other side. Got this cute little calendars over here. You've got some tickets. I love using tickets on my scrapbook pages. So that's one set of the ephemera that you get in your kit. And here is the second set of ephemera. And these are all cutouts. And what I like about this is double-sided as well. But what you get is, on this side, they're outlined in white if you want to cut them out on the white here. But here on this side, you can just go straight to the edge. So the images are the same on both sides. It's just that here you've got the white edge, here you've got no edge. And the same with all the other 6 sheets. And I love the pieces that you get to cut out with this. You can make this kit masculine, you can make it feminine. And yeah, I know it's got pink in it, but you can use this as a masculine layout as well, because there's some pages that got some texture in it. And you've got all these extra flowers that you can layer on top of each other to make them 3-dimensional if you want. And the same thing with this one. So that's your second set of ephemera. But now come on, let's get into this paper. Our papers this month are from Craft O'Clock. And if you don't know, with Trade Jolie Kits, we like to specialize in international or hard to get papers in the US. And we've had lots of Craft O'Clock in our kits. They are the perfect papers for the aesthetic that we have for Trade Jolie. So your top sheet, you know, most places are giving you more things on the back of it now. So now you've got some tags. Again, these tags can be used in your layout. They can be used with your junk journal pieces to enhance that. But this is like a bonus sheet. So you've got that. Now let's get into this paper. How gorgeous is this paper? It is just absolutely yummy. And here's your back side. And like I said, this is perfect for vintage. This is perfect for shabby chic. You can use this. To me, what this reminds me of is that old heritage vintage wallpaper. Masculine layouts, feminine layouts, babies, you know, old black and white pictures, whatever you've got. I think this paper is really versatile for that, just because the colors are fairly neutral, although you've got some pops of color in it. Just look at this, just gorgeous, gorgeous paper. The textures in here are absolutely wonderful. And then the paper is thick enough that if you want to use any mediums on it, that you can. Love the stitching here and the little music notes. Again, look at how pretty that is. It's so pretty you just don't want to cut into it. You've got some lace here, more lace detailing on the back, and then the sheet. I love this right here. But then I love the back side of this too. So you're going to have a dilemma when you get these papers as to what sides to use and what sides to cut. But this is our scrapbook kit, and like I said, it retails for $52. That does include your shipping. If you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our kits. But there are a few left in store too, so if you haven't gotten one, head on over to the website and pick one up. That's www.tradejoliekits.com. Next up, we are going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. So here we go with our cards, tags, and more kit. And like I said, Trade Jolie has 3 kits. You can subscribe to one kit, all of our kits, or any combination of our kits. But just know that all of our kits are standalone kits. So when you get it, you can open it up and you can start to work from your box. Now with our cards, tags, and more kit, we call it that because it's for those that like cards or tags, or more, meaning smaller projects, mini albums, ATC cards, anything like that. Junk journals. We've had a combination of all of those in these kits. For this month, you are going to get a recipe album, a holiday recipe album. So this is the album and the cover. And this is available in our store as well too. Go to Chipboard and go to mini albums and you should find this there. This is our recipe album. So you're going to get the cover that's embossed, well, not embossed, but engraved, and it says homemade with love and butter. And then you're going to get 1, 2, 3, well, that's going to be your back cover, but you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. So total of, with your back and front cover, 9 pages. There's your album, and it's already got the holes in it, and you're going to get 3 ring binders to go with that. You're also going to get this red and white polka dot ribbon. You'll get a yard of this. This can be nice to cut. You can bind your album with this or the rings, or bind it with the rings and cut pieces and decorate the ring binders with the ribbon, or just use it throughout your album. Now, what you're going to get is you're going to get this 6x8 paper pad. This is by Simple Stories, and this one is called Baking Spirits Bright, and it's their holiday. Let me open that. It is their holiday recipe paper. And so it's got baking Christmas cheer and gingerbreads and all of that. So you're going to get this whole pad. And here's the red and white polka dots. You know, this is double-sided. This would be nice for you to have for all of your holiday recipes in the house, or it would be a wonderful gift to give as well. You've got some card cutouts in here, and you get 2 sheets of each paper. So you get a total of 24 double-sided sheets. But how fun is this? I can't wait to get started on mine. And to go with that, because it is a recipe album, you're going to get some journaling bits to help you decorate your album. And so this is Grandma's Cookies, and you can write little notes about the recipes that you include in here. You can talk about the history of the recipe, because I know a lot of our family holiday recipes have been passed down from generation to generation, and you may have some the same way too, so you can use these to add notes about your recipes. You're also going to get a pack of 12 recipe cards, because what's a recipe album without a recipe, without recipe cards? So you're going to get the matching recipe cards, and they are double-sided so that you can make sure that you get everything on here, like put your recipe on the front and then the directions on the back. But you're going to get 12 of these, so there's 6 designs, and they're front and back, like I said, to go into your recipe album. But we're not done there. You're also going to get dividers, so you can divide your recipes. If you use these in the categories, you've got favorites, you've got appetizers, soup and salad, side dishes, you've got main dishes, bread and baked goods, cookies and candies, desserts and pies. You can use all of these, or you can use a combination of these. It really doesn't matter, but you've got enough that you can make your full recipe album. And like I said, these are front and back and all decorated too. So this is our cards, tags, and more kit, and this one retails for $42. And like I said, if you're not subscribed, you may want to run over to the website and pick this up. There are still a few available. But this has been our cards, tags, and more kit. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Off our mixed media kit, it's a standalone kit. It's a kit to help you build your mediums, but we also give you a little project in here too, so you can go ahead and use your mediums right away. And so what we've got this month is we've got some more of the Crafters Workshop stencil butter. We've gotten quite a bit of this in sets of 3, so you should have a nice stash if you subscribe to our kit now, which is really nice because one of our past kits, we got some more fall colors, and now I'm adding more to it. You get the terracotta, you get the eggplant, and you get the fern. So these can be used along with some from our past kit as to use on fall and winter projects. Your project is, we've got this nice little, and this is wooden, it's a cornucopia, and you can use this, you can decorate this, and it's a nice little piece to have sitting somewhere, or if you want to add a hook to the back of it, you can hang it. It's a nice little piece of fall decor. We're also going to be giving you some of the Prima texture powder too, and what you can do with this is you can mix it in with your stencil butter to give your stencil butter a little more texture if you want to add a lot more texture to your little cornucopia. And you can build that up so that it's a little more three-dimensional and not so flat, and that's what the texture paste is for. But these stencil butters are amazing. They go through stencils, you can use them to paint with, you can thin them out with some water and almost use them like a watercolor, but it takes a lot of water to thin them out. But they've got a lot of uses, and the best way to find out how to use them the best is to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we upload videos with tutorials using our mixed media kit, using our card tags and more kit, or using our scrapbook kit. And this kit retails for $47. Like I said, they're all available on the website, but the best thing to do is go ahead and subscribe so you never miss out on another kit. So this has been the November reveal for all of our kits. We appreciate you stopping by, and again, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And that's been it. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.